You hear it all the time, right? Learn new skills, keep up. But in a world that's changing so fast, which skills are actually going to matter? Well, today, we're going to break down 5 skills that will help you not just survive, but absolutely thrive in the years ahead.
Let's just ask the tough question right up front. The skills that got you here, that built your career, are they going to be the same ones that secure your future? I mean, the ground is literally shifting under our feet, and it's only moving faster.
Okay, if you need a wake-up call, this number from the World Economic Forum is it. 40%. That's how many of the core skills we use today are expected to completely change or just become useless by 2030. That's a huge shift, and honestly, we need to start preparing for it, like yesterday.
So what do we do? How do we even begin to prepare for that? Well, it's not just about cramming more information into your brain. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about skills. The future really belongs to people who can master 2 things: the tools, and more importantly, the mind that controls them.
Let's really break this down. Think of it this way. Hard skills are your tools. Coding, video editing, using AI. They're the what you do. But your soft skills, that's the mind at work. Your critical thinking, your creativity, your problem solving. That's how you do it. See, one without the other is, well, it's pretty much incomplete.
And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? You can have the fanciest, most expensive tools in the world, but they're just paperweights without a creative, strategic mind telling them what to do. The future belongs to those who can master both.
Okay, with that in mind, let's dive into our very first skill. This one is the foundation for learning, for learning anything else, really. In a world that is practically designed to distract us, your ability to truly focus is a genuine superpower.
And this is just so true. Come on, we've all been there. You sit down, you're ready to work or learn something, and the next thing you know, you've spent 2 hours scrolling through Instagram. It's crazy. Talent is everywhere, but that sustained, deep focus, man, that is incredibly rare.
So, how do you build up this focus muscle? The Pomodoro technique is such a simple and proven way to get started. Honestly, think of it like reps at the gym, but for your attention span. You start with these little 25-minute sprints, and before you know it, you're building the kind of capacity for deep work that's going to put you way ahead of the curve.
Okay, once you can actually focus, what should you focus on? Well, that brings us right to skill number 2, partnering with AI. Yeah, instead of being scared of it as some kind of job stealer, we need to start seeing it as our most powerful co-pilot. Look, this isn't new. Throughout history, new technologies have always shown up and disrupted things. And the people who got left behind, it wasn't because the tech replaced them. It was because they ignored the new tools. The real skill is always learning how to operate the new machine. And today, that machine is AI.
And listen, you do not need to be some kind of tech genius. Right now, today, you can use AI to speed up your learning and even start earning. Imagine generating visuals, writing scripts, researching really complex topics in just a fraction of the time. AI is the ultimate tool for beginners to learn and produce stuff all at the same time.
This brings us to skill number 3, and this is a big one. In a world that is just flooded with content, the real value isn't just knowing how to use video editing software. It's knowing how to tell a really compelling story with it. Think about it. Anybody can watch a YouTube tutorial and learn where all the buttons are in a video editor. But that doesn't make you a storyteller. Nope. The real craft is using those tools to build suspense, to make someone feel something, and to hold a viewer's attention. That's where the magic really happens.
So how do you learn that? Forget the generic tutorials. Instead, pick a niche you actually love. Find the absolute best creators in that space and just become a student of their work. Don't just watch their videos, analyze them. Why did they cut right there? How does that sound effect change the whole mood? This kind of deep observation, that's where the real learning is.
All right, so you're developing all these amazing skills, but where do you put them to use? And that leads us to skill number 4. These skills are most powerful when you have a stage to show them off. It's time to stop waiting for someone to give you a shot and just build your own stage.
So many people get completely stuck here. They think they need the perfect camera, the professional microphone, this amazing studio setup. But you know what? The biggest barrier isn't your gear. It's just getting started. Today, the device that's already in your pocket is more than powerful enough to start a channel and build an audience. And if you need proof, here it is. The creator of our source material started their YouTube journey back in 2022 with nothing more than a smartphone and a cheap little microphone. And within a year,
They earned over 1 lakh rupees from that channel. That's powerful proof that just having good ideas and being consistent will always beat having expensive gear. And now, for the final skill, the one that kind of ties everything else together. This is the universal skill. It applies to every field, every job, every single ambition you can possibly imagine. Just think about that for a second. You could be the most brilliant editor, the most skilled coder, the most insightful analyst on the planet. But if you can't clearly explain your ideas and communicate why they matter, all that talent, it just stays invisible.
And this brings us right back to the beginning. Full circle. Think about the videos that really stick with you. It's almost never just because of some flashy editing, right? It's because the story is clear, the message connects with you, and you get what the creator is trying to say. That, right there, is the heart of impactful communication.
So there you have it. 5 skills to build a career that's not just successful, but one that can weather any storm. The roadmap is all laid out for you. The only real question left is, where are you gonna start?